The 1978 Honda CB750F was the final year for the single overhead cam. This was Honda's flagship bike, and with 9 years of building this engine, it was tried and true, being one of the most reliable super sport models ever produced. The F model received a few upgraded engine internals that boosted the overall horsepower output slightly over the K. It had the iconic 4-into-1 exhausts that Honda is remembered for. These were the bikes to have in '78, built for highways and backroad cruising. This specific example is in highly original condition, including the bodywork and engine paint. In preparation for sale, the rear master cylinder was rebuilt and brake fluid was flushed front and rear. The carburetors were also rebuilt and synchronized. This machine is going to be headed to auction at no reserve. We will include the link below with more details on this.
Alright, what a beautiful day. We're going to get out here and do ourselves a little test ride. Let her warm up just a little bit. She's sounding nice and happy. This thing just cruises wonderfully. What a nice running bike. Just sounds really happy. Sounds strong. Brakes are nice and solid. Shifts really easily. That's good. The tires on this one are really good. I just feel very grippy and throw the bike around and be comfortable doing it. God, that just sounds so good. I love love these. Brakes are super solid. And they release nice, they're not sticky. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have all the braking I need on this thing, and it just rides so stable. I can just cruise. We're gonna go around the whole roundabout here just because we can.